If you're seeing the SurveyMonkey error loading question message, don't worry. This usually means the issue is coming from your browser, your internet connection, or sometimes from the survey question itself. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your survey as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, try the easiest fix. Refresh the page. Sometimes a question doesn't load properly because of a temporary glitch or a brief connection hiccup. You can press F5 on your keyboard or just click the reload button in your browser. If the page loads correctly after refreshing, then the issue is only temporary and you're good to go. If refreshing doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can stop SurveyMonkey from fully loading certain questions. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and that other websites are loading normally. If the connection seems slow or unstable, restart your router or reconnect to your network. Once your internet is stable, go back and try opening the survey again. Now, if the problem is still happening, one of the most common fixes is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can cause websites to behave strangely, especially if something on the page has changed. Open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying the survey again. This is one of the most effective solutions for loading errors, so don't skip it. Another quick method is to try Incognito Mode or private browsing. This opens the survey in a fresh browser session without using your saved cache, cookies, or extensions. If the question loads in Incognito Mode, that's a strong sign the issue is related to your browser data or one of your extensions. In that case, clearing the cache usually helps, and you may also want to disable browser extensions one by one if the problem keeps coming back. If you're still getting the SurveyMonkey error loading question message, try switching to a different browser or device. For example, if you're using Chrome, test it in Edge or Firefox. If you're on a computer, you can also try your mobile phone or another PC. This helps you figure out whether the problem is specific to one browser or one device. If the survey works somewhere else, then the issue is local to the original browser setup. At this point, it's also a good idea to check the survey status itself. Make sure the survey is still active and not closed. Sometimes a question won't load because the survey has been paused, disabled, or no longer accepts responses. If you're the survey owner, log in and confirm that the survey is published and active. If it has been closed, reopened, or edited recently, that could be the reason the question is not loading correctly. If none of those fixes solve the problem, there may be an issue with the question itself. In that case, try removing the problematic question and adding it again. This is a more advanced fix, but it can help if the question became corrupted or the formatting is causing SurveyMonkey to fail when loading it. Delete the question carefully, then recreate it from scratch and save the survey again. After that, check whether the question loads properly. To quickly recap, start by refreshing the page, then check your internet connection, clear your browser cache and cookies, try Incognito Mode, switch browsers or devices, confirm the survey is active, and finally remove and re-add the question if needed. In most cases, one of the earlier fixes will solve the problem fast. If this video helped you fix the SurveyMonkey error loading question issue, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.